Okay, that's right. Travel is coming soon. I have 2 weeks from today before I head to Cuba. And I want to show some of the less talked about items that I use for travel. In this video, I'm going over Ziploc bags. Follow along.
Hey, you watching, man? Right now, you're watching dcbornrob on YouTube.
It's time to travel.
Okay, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever it is you're located. Thanks for watching. My name is Rob Christian, also known as dcbornrob, dcrob, Rob. I answer to them all. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, if you ever get any benefit out of my videos, do me a favor, go down and hit subscribe, click the bell to be alerted of any new videos, and like. Like helps the YouTube algorithm. The more you hit like, the more people get to see these videos. Again, this week, or should I say for the next 2 weeks, I'm going to go over some items that are less talked about when it comes to traveling, but have a difference on my quality of travel. I try to make things easier and easier on every trip, and I'm still buying little trinkets and tips and things like that over the next week or so. I will show you my latest two, which should be on their way shortly. But again, in this video, I'm going over Ziploc shrink bags to reduce the size of the clothing that you're packing. So let's just jump into this video. Okay, today it is the Ziploc space bag. It's just a space saver, but without the vacuum cleaner. You put your stuff in, you roll it up, the air comes out. I have a different way of doing it. And then you just throw it in your luggage and it's ready to go, conserve space. So I'm gonna take, let's see, I'm gonna take 1, 2, 3, 4 t-shirts, a tank top, and I always have some clothes, at least a set of clothes that are quick dry. Edificio is the brand, of course. If you do travel internationally, you can get through Europe on one pair of underwear. That's right. You just wash it at night in the sink, in the shower, and you're straight. The same thing with the shirts. This one is Reebok's X-Train, something like that. But I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, 4 tank top, 5 t-shirts. And you don't just clunk them all in, you know what I mean, on top of each other. You kind of layer it so that it stays pretty much even throughout the whole thing. You can push it in a little bit. Then I'm going to take my underwear and put these along in the back. Again, this is the reason why I layer it. And then I'll put this last pair, the Edificio, which is the brand, check that out. And you simply Ziploc it. Now you can roll it. I just prefer to sit on it. Baby. And guess what? There you go. Look how thin that got. I mean, literally, that's no more than 3 inches tall, and you're straight. Done deal, Bobby Neal.
So I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you go down and hit subscribe. And definitely like. It helps that YouTube algorithm. You know what I'm talking about? See what I'm saying?
Join me on social media. I am dcbornrob official on Instagram. I am dcbornrob official 1 on TikTok. I am dcbornrob O on Twitter. Don't be like this guy right here.
You're just so stupid. I had to send you a video to let you know that you're so stupid.
That's right. Don't be like this guy right here. Join me on social media.
We have a YouTube channel, like it!
Please comment and share if you like the video. Please subscribe and kick the bell.